Hello, my friends. Boomy here once again with another video for you. Okay, so, quick question. So, as you all know, my brain is constantly trying to come up with new things to do. And, you know, sometimes I go off of either emails you guys have sent me, or, my email is always open to everyone. So go ahead, and if you want to, my emails are always down in the info section below. And yeah, always feel free, never be afraid to email me. You have direct access to the demigod. Anyway, so is it May? I don't believe it's May. I know in Colorado, in some places it's snowing, and it is now currently 48 degrees. I'm wearing my jean jacket. It usually gets retired around this time of year. Although I had to get a new one because it's too big, or too small now, and decided to get another one, to which I'm like, okay, now cool, I'm too big for this one a little bit, but hey, goals, right? And that kind of leads me to my next point. Keto. That's right, K-E-T-O. The giant thing that's going to... I don't know if you guys have noticed, but in grocery stores, a lot of things are changing in those sections, especially the flour section, the fat section, like where you can get like certain types of fat for baking and whatnot. A lot of things are changing because of keto. And that's also true when it comes to the medical field, as well, as they continue to find more and more and more and more things that keto destroys and helps with. Now, you're probably all like, yeah, whatever, Boomy. Yeah, Boomy's lost over 80 pounds because of keto. And I almost spun out there, which is kind of cool. It reminds me of my off-roading days when I had a big old truck. It's right. Cause some of them boys around here drinking them ice cold beers, talking about girls, talking about trucks. Anyways, I digress. Get on with it. What? You know all this. This is all the random video crap. Excuse me, I'm dying. What am I talking about? Keto, right. So yeah, I've lost almost 80 pounds on it, and people within my family as well who are on it have lost, 50, 60, 70 pounds, around the same. So we're doing pretty good, and I have more to do. That's for sure. But hey, it's a start, right? It's a launching pad. But no, keto I'm practically just about a year in on keto, and I haven't gone back. And part of me is thinking, well, should I start doing like gaming keto type thing, like, because I'm talking to you guys. We're all gamers, right? We all have that common ground. We're all gamers, we're all nerds, but yet there's this stigma attached to gamers, right? Look at there, y'all that fat sitting behind the screen. Yeah, which is not true, but there is that, sadly, that stigma that gets attached. But I think, I'm not going to sit here and like, get off your butt, do stuff, because I'm preaching to the choir on this one. However, I know I teased about Boomy's challenge, and it comes up every once in a while, but I'm starting to feel that bug, that tick to actually get on with it and start producing content for it. And if that's what something you guys would like to see, let me know. And that I had to go, no, I don't want to talk to you. I'm talking to my friends right now, okay? Maryland. I don't know anyone in Maryland, except for the president. Other than that, I don't know anyone in Maryland. But this is content I would like to start doing. It's really changed my life. It's changed a lot of people in my family's life. Bayou Bombshells changed her life. Some other Twitch streamer friends of mine who are on it. And it's, there's a lot of, lies behind the keto movement, and some of it's coming from the medical industry. Some of it's coming from people who don't understand what it actually is. And I think I will be producing a video on talking about what is keto. Is it you just sit down and eat a hamburger every single day with nothing but 15 pounds of cheese on it, and that's it, and you're good to go, and that's healthy for you? But you're in cholesterol. What about and how they're finding out that cholesterol is more genetic than it actually is something going based off of what you actually eat. There's a lot of stuff going on there. And I think the best jumping off point is to watch The Magic Pill on Netflix. God, I wonder if it's still there. I'll probably do a video about it. And they do the research, and it's really well done. And there's a lot of things, and it really, that's what got me. Like, I tried to do keto, and I did pretty good here and there, and I did the Atkins thing, and, some things stuck to where, I barely ate any pasta for years. I'm like, I have no taste for pasta. And for me, it just kind of, seemed like it needed those little steps to get me to where I am now, to build and pour that foundation. So I can actually build the 4 walls of my journey through better health and all that jazz. Anyway, so yeah, let me know if there's something you're interested in. And I'm going to try to, if I do it, and not if, when, because I'm going to do it. I'm going to, try to spin it into it's a gaming thing, right? It's a, fit it into our common ground world, what we have things in common with. And, an ambulance. Gotta pull over, guys. Gotta pull over, everyone. Godspeed, sir. But yeah, so that's where I am on that one. And, I want to be an encouragement. I've had people ask me. He's like, oh, hey, man, what are you doing to lose all that weight? This is what I'm doing. And that's it. That's it. That's it. And working out. So that also helps, too. But anyways, that's my rant for today. That's going to be my thing. Friends, put your comments in the comment section below. As always, if there's anything you want me to cover, let me know. And yeah, again, my email is always open for you people. If you don't want to just leave a comment, just want to have a further conversation, go ahead. Hit that email. You know what to do. Friends, we'll see you later. Remember to be kind. It's about community. I love you.